If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, remote start system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number 905738.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.